How to fix network problem on Valorant. So let's move into one of the article which is going to help you out with the issues that you have been facing. So this is one of the article. Over here you can see it says fix Valorant network problems and connection errors on PC. So the very first thing you want to try doing is changing the server of Valorant. So Lego Fast allows you to change servers and nodes manually, just like a VPN for Valorant. Besides, Lego Fast offers reliable game servers and smart game routes from more than 150 cities and 60 plus countries. So the very first step is to download Lego Fast and sign into your account. And before running Valorant, you just need to find Valorant in Lego Fast and click the boost button. After that, you have to choose the server that you want to switch, and then the Valorant network problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, still there is more way to fix it. Simply change your DNS server. Switching to a different DNS server such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS can potentially improve network performance and reduce latency. After that, you can also optimize your in-game settings. Adjusting your graphics and network settings in Valorant can potentially improve performance and reduce network problems. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your system. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix network problem on Valorant. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.